Alright, back again. So in this tutorial, we will resume from previous tutorial, and we'll simply, instead of making things on, we'll simply restart the current scene, which is pretty simple. That is, we will load scene, and this will pretty much shuts off previous scene, and will start this scene, which we can get from this. And again, this requires this to be here. So if your VL Studio is outdated, then you might have to type this by yourself, otherwise it will be able to get this namespace and put it here by himself. So now if we can play, this is how our game is. So yep, as you can see. And now if I can press this back button, it will simply restart the screen, and which is pretty fine here. But another thing we will do is we want so what we want is that in each level we can simply make this objective. So if our objective is to kill three times of three of the big rocks or one of the big rocks, we'll simply copy this main menu UI thing that we were seeing. So if I can copy it, which was in the it was in the main menu, I think. No, it was the level selections canvas, and then I will try to play the game so we can see it here. And now, yeah, so it was the level, the raw image was what we are after. So this is level detail panel, and this is the raw image that will simply copy it or duplicate it, I mean. So now we'll duplicate it, this raw image, and we will yep, and we will put that in our in game canvas, and in the top UI panel we will put it like this. And right now it's far bigger than expected, so we'll put the size to 150 by 150, and or you guys can put the value to 200 by 200, and we'll put it as a child of a top panel, and set the value to 0 0, and adjust the Y to width here if you want to, and put like this. And here we'll add another couple of text components here. So UI TextMeshPro text, and we'll populate it in the runtime. Put it like this. Make it a bit dark, like this, or since the objective, will highlight a bit. Turn to auto size to this, and turn to 2 out of 3 or 1 out of 3, whatever is the put this target to here, something like this. And now if you can play it, and if we can play it, so this is our target that we want to kill, and this is how it is being shown. Yep, and inside the health we can rename it to progress, I guess. And the progress will tell and the progress will tell. So if we can rename it, this health to, yep, this is pretty much it. Again, one thing I noticed is that if we play this here, somehow the even though the current level was, you know, level 2, it showed